nice, it's strawberry. Tastes nice? I'm a little sour cream tasty.
Feel your eyes, they all over me. Don't be shy, take control of me. Get the vibe, it's gonna be lit tonight.
Who's a birthday girl? Birthday girl, birthday girl. Hey, hey, hey. Come just be there. So this is our outfit for today. With Asina. So yeah, to our friend. We're not doing anything today. But yeah. Lily, it's your birthday. It's your first birthday. Hey princess. Hi. Say thank you guys. Say thank you guys for the birthday wishes. Don't jump my phone here. Kiss. Okay guys, I'm tired of my head because I tried gelling it down. Our edges need to be laid. Yes, edges need to be laid. Come drink your feeder. Come. Stop. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks. Say it. Thank you. Alright. Enjoy your meal. Enjoy. Lily? Hey, you look like a big one. Goods. Drink your feeder, okay? Drink your feeder, baby. Drink. Drink. Birthday girl. Leave it. Leave it. Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. So today is February 22nd, 2019, and today is my baby's first birthday. So I'm starting off the vlog here because we're gonna have a picnic on Sunday, which is the 24th. I think we're going to the beach tomorrow, which is the 23rd. So I just gonna put all the vlogs together. Yeah, but she waiting. Jesus, say hi. Thank you guys for the birthday wishes. You're telling them thanks? Wave to them now, Lily. Lily. What's that? I'll show you a look up. But yes, guys, listen. I'm so tired. I went to bed after 2. Could awake. I'm running late for work as well, but I'm gonna rush out now. Right. Hello? I'll be hello alone, shall I say? But yeah, I am rushing. Yeah? They were saying thank you. Lily, I'm tired. Wait, no, I have a switch on. Boy. So yeah, what was I saying? Yeah, I am going to leave out for work. No. But look at my baby. Mommy loves you. Thank you guys for the love you've shown me on Lily's birthday special, first birthday special. And for the love you guys will be showing me when I show behind the scenes for her birthday shoot, which was done by Tiffany Mega Photography. But yeah, my skin look good, you know. My skin looks so good, but yeah, I'm too late to do my face, so we're going out like this. So Lily, when you look back at the memories, mommy wasn't ready for your birthday, but you were. Not even our father already, no one see him head. But yeah, Angel, give me one full video. But don't look good? Well, nice and clean, so I'm not need you to tell me if you look good. Go Lily, it's your birthday. Go Lily. Come. Go Lily, it's your birthday. Go Lily. You know dance. Okay guys, so I'm going on later some of the era vlog. But yeah, Princess' first birthday. Oh my, come on, my birthday. Like she do the bit. Hey guys, so it's 6:43. I just got in and I decided that I think I said I'm not sure what we're gonna do today. I'm actually gonna take Kailee to Tutti Frutti, so I'm going to get ready. Baby's gonna pick her up, so well, hopefully by the time he reach back I am ready. I actually kind of take out the dress already, but my face need to do and I need to shower. I take out Kailee clothes already, so I think everything is set and ready. Oh my god, the love that Kailee has been getting online today is just so cute. Like, thank you guys so much for the support. Yo, she is loved by so many of you guys. Like, hey aunties. But yeah, I'm gonna get ready and Stephanie will meet me there. So Girl, I have to come in here. Come. No. Come now, ma. Come. Good. Come, sit down for Yeah. This, that. So I'm trying to comb Lily here, but things not working. No, Kailee. We can't comb your ear, so come sit down for me. Sit down. So guys, I think I'm ready, and Lily is too. We're just waiting on Stephanie, and so I'm going to take some pictures. Lily, stop. Come, auntie. Auntie. No man, come over. Don't worry about that. Hey, hey. Say you put her down. Good, you now we get the picture now. Yeah. Say hey to the vlog, step watch your taxi here. You know what I say?
I have no idea.
Okay. So we're bringing Kailee go Tutti Frutti. You see it, Stephanie? Actually, I have it in the clip.
Nice.
Yeah.
It's so much more convenient.
Yes, there. And so hopefully the place not lock. We're so late. The bag of excitement. Birthday girl. One time for the birthday girl. Why me in the road door? If them ever close. Yeah. It look like, you know, people. Girl, we don't even have to go down there. Or should we? No, it... Oh. Okay, so it's open. Yeah, but I don't say go sit down, so that's why. Cool. And thank you. Good night. I don't want some of that stuff. Oh, pretty babies don't cry. Taste the strawberry.
Tastes nice?
It's a little sour cream tasty.
Yeah.
The strawberry cream.
Nice.
Good girl. You love your belly?
Oh my god.
Okay, it's a birthday. Have it.
Yes.
But we can't get enough fear. She's not going to eat it all.
Charmant.
Enjoying it, Lily?
Nice. Yum.
No.
I swear.
These are the flavors. I can taste the coconut pineapple. like coconut, but I'm gonna show the pineapple part of it though. Yeah, I saw the peel. Okay, so the coconut pineapple tastes nice. I usually take like vanilla and rum cream. Stephanie said no dairy. But I want the fruits. Cream Lily?
You want rum cream, baby?
Want rum?
Which one? You want both?
You want some milk? No rum today, yeah, baby?
She said rum. Rum?
No.
Rum?
Nice. This is Stephanie, she's here when they have food.
Traditional. You can't want food.
Baby gonna walk?
Oh, it's okay.
My legs go up, the tights are pull up.
Yeah,
Mama? You okay? Yeah? You know number already? What you want to leave for? I'm going to take the... Okay, I'm going to try this. Vanilla. Look there again. Come, lady one. More the nuts thing. No, I'm gonna whip some. See there, Lily? This looks so playful. Okay, I'm gonna take Lily one more. Huh? Yeah? She can't eat them cheese. Okay, this looks good. I'm gonna see the cheese. How much? Let me send a little bit of my brother machine.
Hey, mama. Woo! Yeah.
Ready? Ready? Okay guys, so I'm gonna get one bag of mix up. This don't look as good as this. I probably should have taken more. Oh shit, look at my drink. Lily's drinking water. try.
Belly full, mama?
Come. Come. Me say come. Hey. Lily, Kailee, hey. There you go, baby. Ooh. It's a tough man. Hey, baby. Lily, what's up? Hi, mama. Okay, guys, so we are leaving. See Stephanie, she warm up here now.
She is Mr.
Okay, guys, so that's it for tonight. Sorry. We're gonna make a stop at Wendy's. Wait there.
You okay?
Yeah.
Birthday girl, are you okay?
She probably wants to sleep, you know. So yeah, we're gonna buy Wendy's. Should I put this on nice here, you know?
What?
The bag. You want to put it back on shoulder. No, my lash feel like it's lift, but it not lift up.
Nah. What do you think?
It opens stuff. For some heartbreak, while I was burning my man, something you young girls might not understand. No pain, no gain. Hey, my lash bother me. The lashes I'm wearing are Glamour from Makeup by Shars.
What's it going to that? Huh?
But yeah, this dress is from Fashion Over, guys, if you are wondering. One little lookbook for Fashion Over. I know this is such a simple dress, but I like simple things. I'm simple. Bombardos, man fitty. Hey, she rough, you know? Oh, her nose are rough?
No, she legit like
No, man, her nose look like it can run.
boxing on my face while ago.
Use the vlog you go long still. Of we doing nothing.
Exactly.
And more of Lily running up and down. Oh, I ribbies things.
Yeah.
Me could come up. We can't party at ribbies. You can party at ribbies?
Of course. Well, I haven't been there in ages.
Because when these look full. Okay, guys, so we eat a full belly. I'm gonna close out the vlog tonight. Stay with Daddy Lily. So, I want to sleep. Hey, I'm tired. That's why I'm not wake up for 8 o'clock tomorrow, you know? I'm not ready for 8 o'clock tomorrow, even though I'm not doing nothing more than put on my clothes. We ready? 8 o'clock sound early still for wake up. But yes, guys, I had fun tonight. Lily not even gonna remember this night, so this vlog will help her to remember when she gets older. You can imagine if we go keep big extravagant party. Lily not remember nothing. Lily? Ready to take off your pretty clothes? Eh? Mommy's girl. Give mommy a kiss. Give mommy a kiss.
No.
Mwah. Good girl. Your father bad man. Okay, guys, see you tomorrow.